Today is episode 3, where we break down the chant from episode 1 into individual Sanskrit terms with corresponding translations in Tibetan, Chinese, and English. At the end of the video, the whole chant will be chanted twice. I also gotten some feedback from Rankiji, who suggested that my pronunciation on māyāvaśyāya could be improved. The meaning of this word will be shown in the video. While I took his advice and changed the chant accordingly, all errors are mine. I'm still a beginner in Sanskrit and I welcome all feedbacks. One of the goals of this channel is to share my progress in chanting with fellow beginners.
Tārakā, timiraṃ, dīpo,
māyāvaśyāya,
budbudam,
svapnaṃ, vidyud, abhraṃ, evaṃ, draṣṭavya, saṃskṛtam, tārakā, timiraṃ, dīpo, māyāvaśyāya, budbudam, svapnaṃ, vidyud, abhraṃ, evaṃ, draṣṭavya, saṃskṛtam. Tārakā, timiraṃ, dīpo, māyāvaśyāya, budbudam, svapnaṃ, vidyud, abhraṃ, evaṃ, draṣṭavya, saṃskṛtam.